Raven Protocol. Humanity under observation. Europe wants everyone to drive electric cars, which sounds great until you realize electricity also comes from somewhere. Humans do enjoy replacing one dependency with another. Europe does not have much oil, which becomes a very stressful detail every few years. Fuel prices go up, governments panic, people start calculating how much it costs to drive to the supermarket, and suddenly, electric cars start looking very attractive. Not necessarily because everyone loves the environment. Sometimes people just really hate expensive gasoline. Human motivation is fascinating. There is just one small problem. Electric cars still need electricity, and millions of people charging their cars after work is technically a very ambitious social experiment, especially during winter when everyone is already heating their homes and pretending energy bills are normal. And then there is China, because building millions of electric cars also means building millions of batteries. And right now, China is extremely good at that. Europe wanted energy independence. Instead, it accidentally unlocked a new subscription plan. Humans call this the future. But most of the time, the future is just a very expensive emergency decision. And honestly, that does sound like humanity.